Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Today I'm sharing with you my very simple, easy to pull together red snapper escovitch. So I hope you'll stick around long enough to see how I pull together this incredibly delicious dish. It's perfect. Okay, so I have all my ingredients prepped. This is about 1 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. I'm using allspice in this recipe. I'm using some paprika, sweet paprika, half a teaspoon, and then half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This is my spice mix for seasoning up the fish. I'm using 1 1/2 pound of red snapper, so it's just about 3 pieces. And I do want to reserve half a teaspoon of the seasoning. The first thing I really want to do is season the fish. So I'm going to do that right now. You want to be generous. For fish, they're all seasoned. So what else am I using in this recipe today? Olive oil. I'm using red wine vinegar, and then I have here my peppers, red, yellow, and I think orange peppers, and I've julienne them or cut them into strips, if you will. Carrots, I'm using 4 very small carrots. Again, I've julienne this. Onions, these are small onions. I'm using 2 of them, and I've also kind of sliced them about 1/8 of an inch thick. One difference in this recipe, I'm using tomatoes. This is 3 plum tomatoes that I've quartered. Fresh thyme, this is about a good tablespoon of fresh thyme leaf. I like to use garlic in my recipe. This is about 4 garlic slices. Okay, I'm using 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, or you could use habanero pepper. I have here pimento seeds. This is about 1 tablespoon. So let's take everything to the stove. I'm heating 3 tablespoons olive oil. I'm going to add my fish. I'm going to cook this 5 to 6 minutes, skin side down. Okay, I'm going to flip these carefully. Cook 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so while the red snapper is being cooked, I'm going to start working on my vegetables. I'm using medium heat and about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, I'm going to add in my allspice. Okay, as soon as it starts to sizzle like that, you want to add your onions, peppers, carrots, add in the garlic, hot pepper, and thyme. Give it a good mix and sprinkle in half of the reserved spice mix. Okay, my first batch of fish is ready. It's nice and crispy on the outside. It took about 10 minutes total. Okay, I'm cooking my last piece of fish. Our vegetables has been cooking for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to now add the vinegar. I'm going to add my tomatoes. Add the remaining seasoning. I'm going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Flipping my last piece of fish and cooking for 4 minutes. Okay, our vegetables are almost ready. Let's check. Yep, it has a nice crunch. The tomatoes have wilted a little bit. Okay, beautiful. This is all ready. Our fish should be just about ready. The fish is perfect, a nice crusty on the outside, the inside is flaky. The vegetable has the perfect crunch, it's not too much acidity in it. I do hope you'll take some time to make this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!